Do you want to know how to use the icon list widget of Classic Addon plugin? First open the Elementor editor and click on this plus icon to add a new section, or you can add it in your existing section. Select your preferred layout here, and in the left sidebar click on the widgets and search for the icon list. Simply click on it to add in your section, and this is the layout. Here you can choose your preferred layout, inline or default. And this is the icon list, and here you can change the icon text, and this option for icon, change your preferred icon here, and here you can enter your URL. Next, change the second one, enter the text and change the icon and enter the URL you want. If you want to add new item, just click on this add item and change the text and icon, then enter your URL. Let's go to the style, and here you can choose the space between the list, and here you can change the alignment, and next option is divider. If you want to add, just click on this option, and the next one is style of the divider. Choose as your preference, and here you can choose the weight, and here you can add the width of the divider, and here you can choose the height of the divider, and here you can change color of the divider. The next part is icon. Here you can change the icon position, and the next option is icon color, and in hover color you can change your preferred color. The next part is text. Here you can change the text color and hover color and text indent. The next option is typography. Here you can change the font family and the font style. Finally, update it, and let's check it in the output.